Hello everybody, this is my review on the XBG, right there, XBG Umarex pistol, BB pistol, semi-auto with a CO2 cartridge that you put right there, and I will show you how to set this up and a full run review of it. So first of all, what you'll need is some CO2 cartridges. Come on. One. Then you put it in here, like that, I think. No, not I think, but like, you know, like that. I'm not gonna put it in there today because it's very dark outside and I don't have a place to shoot at right now. And you also need some BBs, silver BBs, Daisy. Take pride, it's a Daisy. And so you load those into the easy slip mount. Slide this down, load them in one by one, and once you got those loaded in, you shoot the gun. Now, oh crap. Now, for safety measures, don't shoot near any houses or anything. I'm pretty sure you already know all the gun rules. And I will be back when I show you the full product of what it looks like when it's done, loaded and everything. Okay, so here it is. The final product with all the BBs in the clip and the CO2 cartridge, not loaded but almost loaded. What you do with the CO2 cartridge is you open the back right here, you put it in like that, then you twist this. I'm not going to yet because I don't want to waste a CO2 cartridge. You just twist this until you see pokage right there. Until, if the CO2 cartridge is in the gun, you want to just, sorry about that, you want to just put it all the way. Sorry, I'm doing a terrible job at this. Good is just to do that. And boom, that's how you have it. And so I am pretty much done with this part of the video. And in my next part, I will give you guys an overall review. Okay, guys, so here I am. The gun is pretty stable. It has a really low recoil. The safety is right here. That means it's not unsafe, so does that instead of a cock back, because you can't cock it back. So yeah, put the safety back on and doesn't do anything. The sights are pretty good. Got a white dot in the middle. The speed I think is 450 feet a second. Not too entirely sure about that, but somewhere around that. And yeah, guys. Oh wait, besides, I forgot one thing. If you load BBs into this all the way, and you just want to put them back in, you don't want to actually shoot them, you just go like this. Because it'll pop them back in. And pop these ones out and pop them back into the thing. Okay, that's something I just thought I'd show you guys. And also, the thing is about this is that it's a .77 and it is slidable, so slide it in real easy, pop it in, slides out like I don't know, something that slides out easily. Well, yeah, guys, that was it, and yeah, I think that's it. It's easier if you just put the BBs in like that, instead of how I said, like, pull this down, then put them in, because whenever you push this little button down here, watch, when you slide this down all the way, button pops out, and whenever you do that, a few BBs pop out, so it's better to put them in that way. Okay, and so I think that's it. And I just wanted you to know, if you think these are paintball gloves, you are right, because I got these at a paintball place. And today I went paintballing and I got shot in the hand. And let me show you. Yeah, not too good looking. And so I decided to get some gloves, and these were the first ones I saw, and they're pretty good. I might do a review on them. I don't know. But thanks you guys for watching, if you did, and leave a like and comment at the bottom of the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.